Hello everyone, in this tutorial I'm going to show you a quick way to create a textured, pop art photo effect. First of all, open your favorite browser and navigate to photopea.com. Next, place your image by dragging it or open it from computer as I do. With your image opened, the first adjustment that we're going to create is going to Image, Adjustments, Threshold. In the Threshold menu, you just want to adjust the level of the slider to show nice details of your image or subject. So, for me, about 115 works fine, and I'll press OK. From the menu on the left, take the brush tool and make sure you have the white color selected. Now, I'll increase the brush size so I can quickly remove the leftovers and portions of the picture I don't need. You may need to decrease the brush size at some point, but all depends on the image you are working on. The brush tool is only one way to clean the picture, but you can use the lasso select and the pen tool as well. After you clean your image, the next thing we're going to do is go to Layer, New Adjustments Layer, Gradient Map. And now we will be able to change the black and white to whatever we want. I like to change both colors, so first I'll double-click on the black color stop and change it to dark gray. Save it by pressing OK. Instead of the default white, you want to use some bright color. I will pick muted yellow color for this effect. Confirm by pressing OK, then click OK once again to apply the effect. The next effect we're about to use is called Pattern Fill, which can be found under Layer, then New Fill Layer. Here I will take the small dots pattern, which is predefined, and then I'm going to scale it a little bit. From the layer blending mode, change the blending to overlay and make sure you lower down the layer opacity to something like 50% or less. If you want to crop your image, take the rectangle tool from the left and select the portion of your image you want to keep. Then go to Image, Crop, and from Select click Deselect. And finally, to save your image, go to File, Export As, choose PNG, and click Save. So, that's it for this tutorial. If you find it useful, please give it a like and subscribe to my channel. And let me know what you thought in the comments below.